Calm Premium Meditation Subscription Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've been curious about Calm, you might assume it's just a simple meditation app. The surprising truth is that Calm Premium is a full wellness platform designed to improve sleep, reduce stress, and boost mindfulness. Calm Premium costs around $99 per year or $99 per month. For this price, you get access to thousands of guided meditations, sleep stories, breathing exercises, music tracks, and masterclasses led by experts in mindfulness and mental health. Most people get this wrong. They think meditation is all it offers. In reality, Calm helps with sleep, relaxation, focus, and even personal growth. The app is organized so you can choose sessions based on your goals, managing anxiety, improving focus, enhancing sleep quality, or building a consistent meditation habit. Sleep stories are particularly popular, narrated by well-known voices. They can help adults and children alike fall asleep faster and enjoy more restorative sleep. Also provides daily mindfulness exercises, progress tracking, and think programs, which allow you to dive deeper into topics like gratitude, self-compassion, and stress management. For anyone new to meditation, the app offers beginner-friendly sessions to make starting easy and approachable. So, what do you get for your money? Access to a comprehensive library of guided meditations, sleep content, music, and wellness programs. You also get personalized recommendations and tools to help you manage stress, sleep better, and stay mindful every day. If you're looking for more than just meditation, a complete mental wellness toolkit that fits into your daily routine, Calm Premium offers excellent value for its subscription. It's a one-stop platform for reducing stress, improving sleep, and building lasting mindfulness habits.